Why does your scanner show the P1381 engine code? What does it mean? P1381 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder position sensor intermittent interruption. It means that there is a fault within the cylinder position sensor which detects the position of the number 1 cylinder for the sequential fuel injection to each cylinder. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: over-advanced variable camshaft timing, engine misfire, low engine oil level, circuit issues, powertrain issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code appears in various OBD-II vehicles, especially common in Honda and Acura. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.